Hello, I'm Maria Martin, and today we will discuss how interactive videos powered by AI multi-language syncing support companies to amplify their reach and campaign effectiveness. Let me show you how our technology helps you and your partners connect with global audiences by delivering fully translated videos that feel so natural and engaging in any language. I invite you to visit video2market.com and explore how interactive videos transform channel engagement. Now let's take a closer look at what Video2Market offers to help you unlock the full potential of your channel strategy. In our What We Offer section, you'll discover our interactive video TCMA platform for channels. Click to learn how we help clients simplify the complexity of channel marketing by empowering every partner and every sales rep to launch their own personalized demand generation campaigns with just a simple video link. This interactive video doesn't just showcase your solutions. It comes fully loaded with key selling points, embedded assets, and an easy-to-use campaign wizard to launch campaigns faster. With stunning HTML templates, embedded videos, AI-generated content tailored to each market, and one-click publishing, your partners can launch direct marketing campaigns and capture unlimited leads in real time. Imagine how easy it is for partners to share a single link and instantly receive new potential customers directly in their inboxes. Imagine the power for companies like yours to manage partner and sales rep performance across the globe, all from one centralized platform. With Video2Market, you can measure the success of your marketing and MDF investment by amplifying your voice, not only through marketing teams, but through your true sales force. Today, relying on cookie-cutter, partner-ready campaigns is no longer enough. This is the era where AI, lip sync, avatars, and interactivity redefine your marketing strategies, maximize your ROI, and bring excitement back to every piece of content shared worldwide. And this is just the beginning. With Video2Market, AI-powered multilingual engagement is now at your fingertips. Are you ready to learn more about how AI-powered multi-language lip-syncing technology and TCMA is revolutionizing collaboration between partners and brands? We invite you to go to video2market.com and also contact us and request a demo. It's the best way to show you how the technology works and how we can solve all these challenges that you have today with your campaigns and your partners' campaigns. Thank you for listening.